Hello everybody, my name is Usama and I'm here to talk to you about the best apps you can have on your phone that can create stuff on YouTube, on anything you want. Subscribe to our small channel and do like to the video and let's get started. First one we got screen recorder. That screen recorder is an awesome tool because he have no ads, no mark of the no program mark under the video, no nothing. It's free, totally free for anyone. This program is the best and I'm actually using it right now to shoot this video to you. So it's very good and I'm actually using it to shoot my PUBG videos sometimes. It's very good app and you can have a lot of things like screenshot, trample the video, the game launcher can be game launcher, anything you want. And we have the Desk DJ. Desk DJ is a program you can take the copyrights of the music from it. So we can put and use the music when you edit the music and use it on your video. You won't get copyright strike. You get me? It's a program we can mix music, edits, and they won't give you a copyright strike anymore. You get me? Copyright strike is bitch. So this program can deal with it. And you have lots of stuff if you are, you know what I mean. You can do lots of stuff over here that I don't know anything about. And then we got Photoshop. Photoshop is the best photo editor in the entire App Store. Don't get fooled by any other app. Photoshop is the best one in all of them because he have lots of abilities. He can do lots of stuff. He's an app with any abilities. It's like the PC apps, the high level PC apps. This one is compared to them is the best photo app, photo editor you can get in App Store or anything for your mobile. Get me? And he gets a lot of stuff. You can do anything with it. And if you are a creator, you will definitely need a cartoon maker. Flipclip is the best cartoon maker in the internet, and he will for the mobile, and he will get your problem done if you are good. The problem is you need to be a very good drawer. If you know what I mean. You can do a lot of stuff, but it's up to your skill more than up more than it's up to your program. You know what I mean? It's a very good program, but it work with your skill. That's the point. And this program is basically very good program. And probably the most important of all that is this movie maker because is the one I using personally to to edit this video I'm giving to you right now. I know it's shitty, but because of me, I'm not a very good montage man. But if you are a good montage man, this program can take your skills up higher than you can ever imagine. Movie Maker is the best one in markets, and it will give you the things you will deserve. I'm not making an advertisement here, but this program is really good. If you are a movie maker in your phone, this one is the best one because he have, and I'm always go to the programs that's totally free, that don't have no mark under the video in the end, no advertisement, no lots of advertisement, and they are totally free. This program can solve you, and he can do lots of things. And the creator browser is the UC browser because of one simple thing. He can give you the desktop on your phone. I mean, YouTube PC mode on your phone. This program is the only one can have it now. You know what I mean? I mean the for the creator, my YouTube is shit. It can do shit. You can see your videos. You can see your analytics. You can see nothing. But with US browser, you can get this desktop mode, and you can see anything on YouTube or on any other sites with like you on PC, if you know what I mean. Because PC better than phone for sites when you enter sites because they, you know, it don't have to be lots of. And you, if you are a creator, you will definitely need this program because you have all the tools that it can be on a phone. I mean, it have everything: a measure of connection, a walkie-walker, anything, my location, colors, identify colors, night vision. You can everything. And at last, you will definitely need a logo maker for anything you do because logo maker logos needed a lot and the internet advertisement stuff for anything you need because people click on good logos, and this program can give you very good logos because you have a lot of abilities, and I love apps with lots of abilities. They are the best ones. And that's everything that I got for you today. And don't forget to subscribe to our small channel. I know it's small, but that doesn't have deny you to encourage it. I give you a help here. And before the last, you need a drum machine. A drum machine is a drum machine, but this program is what is have better than other programs is you can organize what you do before you start before you start the music. Other programs they just give you to do, but they don't make you to organize it, so it mostly sound like scapular and meaningless stuff. But this program can give you meaning stuff, stuff that music that can be good. That's it for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please, and do like this to the video.